Okay, so a while ago, I reviewed the scrubbing bubbles to clean the bathtub. I seen this at the Dollar Tree, Comet Classic. It's foam bath cleaner with bleach. It says it removes dirt and soap scum buildup. So I purposely didn't wash the tub for like a week and a half because I wanted that soap scum to build up in the hard water. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see the, soap scum and over there in the corners. We got hard water too, and then all that. So let's see how this works. Alrighty. So, nope, sorry about that. So I got it all sprayed down. It's like real super watery. The other thing I don't like is this this trigger handle keeps, if I can show you, this trigger handle keeps moving around when you try to use it. I don't like that. So now that we got it all sprayed down, I like to use this little thing because it's really long and I can reach up high. But I will start scrubbing it. Oh, that came right off. Let's look at this down here. Seems to be working good, but let me go ahead and scrub this and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so the end result is Comet did not work as good as scrubbing bubbles. That's a bummer. You can see there's still some hard water stains, and scrubbing bubbles gets that all up. Well, so there you have it. I will stay with my Scrubbing Bubbles Grime Fighter. That's my opinion. Thanks for watching. Okay, so again, I wanted to wait until we had some extra soap scum and hard water deposits. That's where the shampoo and stuff sits. This time we are going to see how soft scrub with bleach works. Let's see if this is better than scrubbing bubbles or the, what is the one? Oh, Comet. So let's get scrubbing. If you can see that down there by the sink. I just get so rusty all the time. But we'll see what soft scrub is going to do. Alright. Oh, I gotta get this. I'm gonna start scrubbing some of this. So you can see I'll start scrubbing it around a little bit. I have a tub all with it in. You can see I put through some up on the walls and over the. So let's see how it works. Let's see. I don't know if you can see this, but boy, is this scrubbing or soft scrub working really well. It's got all these stains off so far. Let me come over this way. Let me see my shadow. But as of right now, it appears as though soft scrub might win out on all of it. Let's see what it looks like when we're completely done. As I go over the hard water stains, they're like coming right up. Wow. There's a spot right there, which is now gone. Wow, I'm impressed. Alright, let me finish the rest of the tub and we'll see what it looks like when okay, so here's the tub. Let me show some of this. So far, yeah, what's it called? Soft scrub. Soft scrub proves to so far be the winner. It has taken off all the hard water stain, soap scum, even that little bit over there, you can see. Yeah, let's go see what bathroom sink, if you remember what that was. That's all nice and cleaned off, you can see. Yeah, soft scrub appears to so far be the one that is the best. I have to go back and look at my Scrubbing Bubbles video and see what I think of that one. Well, there you go. The difference between Comet Bath Cleaner and Bleach or Soft Scrub. And so far, Soft Scrub is way better.